Welcome back to the Cognac Jewellery School and to part 2 of making a twig ring using silver clay. Last time I left the silver clay twig ring on the mandrel overnight to let it completely dry before firing. And now that it is, we're ready to fire. You can, if you have one, fire your piece in a kiln or with a blowtorch, which is what I'm going to do today. The torch I'm using is a small handheld blowtorch, but an ordinary kitchen or creme brulee torch will work perfectly well for this too. Set a timer and place your ring on a fire brick. I'm going to size and solder this ring after firing, so I've left the ring open and popped a cotter pin between the gap where the ends overlap to keep them separated during the firing process. Heat the ring, moving the torch in a circular motion to ensure that the heat is evenly distributed through the ring. There may be a little smoke, and it may even catch fire, but don't panic and enjoy the fire show. This is just the binder burning off and it's completely normal. When you've achieved an orange glow, start your timer and keep heating the piece evenly to maintain that orange glow until the timer goes off. When it does, turn off the torch and allow the ring to cool naturally. Once cooled, slide the ring onto a mandrel and shape and size it with a rawhide mallet until it's perfectly round and perfectly sized, with the ends still overlapping. Once round, it's back to the bench peg to saw through the overlapping ends of the ring to create the perfect join for soldering. Bring the ends together with a pair of pliers so that they meet flat surface to flat surface, and it's time to solder. Place the ring on a fire brick and paint the join with flux. Place one small piece of hard silver solder over the join and solder. Once soldered, quench it in cold water and pop it in the pickle. I just wanted to take a moment to let you know that if you're interested in making a piece like this, we have it available as an online course, where we teach you through step-by-step video lessons how to handcraft your own jewellery and silverware from raw materials to a fully finished piece. We're adding new courses all the time too, so please head on over to the website to check it out. A bientôt. Once the ring is fully pickled, ensure that it is fully round by sliding it back onto the mandrel and giving it one final tap with the rawhide mallet, first one way and then the other. Remove any excess solder and refine the inside edge of the ring with a half-round file. Then use needle files to refine the details on the outside, removing any rough edges or errant solder. But be extra careful not to remove the details of the twig. Today I'm hand polishing with emery sponges, working from the coarsest grit, or the smallest number, to the finest grit, the highest number, and then finishing with a white polishing pad and a polishing cloth for a high shine. And voila! A solid silver ring made using twigs from the garden.